Hey, I'm Luke Hoffman, Ajax Nissan here. I'm here to show you one of my favorite features on our new 2019 Nissan Rogue. I'm going to open the door up here for you. Oh, excuse me. Okay. My favorite feature is the sliding back seats. A lot of people don't know it can do them, but I'll show you. Come on over. So as you can see, I'm just hanging out, chilling. I can adjust the back seat. So if I want to sit up a little bit straighter, not bad. If I want to lounge out, perfect. And the seats move front and back to maximize your space in the rear and in the front. If you have any questions, you can call me at Ajax Nissan. Again, I'm Luke Hoffman, signing out.